got some sage here. So let's start picking sage. Smell it. Is it a familiar scent?
Yeah.
Okay. It was really interesting that they were able to see the ingredient or the herb in its kind of true raw state and make that kind of emotional connection to some of their favorite foods like roasted potatoes. We have enough, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. With the herbs we picked, we're gonna add salt and then we're gonna chop it up with our mezzaluna, jar it. Then when you guys go back home, you'll have the flavors and the memories of camp. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's grab our rosemary and just press down. So like this. Okay, that's enough. Grab your sage. Make sure you remove the stem like that. A little bit of salt. With the mezzaluna, go very slowly. You smell the herbs?
Yeah.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Good job chopping it. Now we're going to just fill up our jars. For the kids, it's a quick introduction to the power of the herb. Rosemary, sage, a little salt, and you have the flavors of Tuscany throughout the year. So just like that, it's a nice little memory of camp.